children and adults, I hope you're well. In this video, we're going to learn about the move blocks that allow us to move our characters around the screen. First of all, we need to, again, prepare the background so that Kitten's in the bedroom. So we select the background button, scroll down, find the bedroom background, and then press on the tick button to select it. Now we can see Kitten in the bedroom. Now what we're going to do is start to build our code. So first of all, we're going to go to the yellow section. Again, select the green flags that allows us to start our program. This time I'm going to go to the blue section and select the right block, the move right block, and the move down block, because we want Kitten to move across their bed and then jump down. We're then going to select the end button so that it stops after that. Currently, the right block and the down block have the number 1 after them. We want to change that because that means move right 1 square and down 1 square. And we can see that the bed's a bit longer than that and a bit higher. So we're going to change that to a 5 and a 2. So we click on the number below the right movement block. A number pad appears. We're going to select number 5, so it moves 5 blocks right. And then press on the number 1 on the down block and select 2. So the Kitten will move across 5 squares and down 2 squares. We're then going to test that by pressing the green flag. Fantastic. Now, here we can see that Kitten is now in the position where they've ended after the program's been run. If we want to reset it back to the start, we press this button here to the left of the green flag to reset it. So let's have a look on that on full screen now. Fantastic. If we go back to our normal screen, if we want to do any additional editing, we can do it here. When I spoke about squares earlier on, you can see here is what happens when we put a grid over our program. This allows you to show how many squares you want to move. So if we reset Kitten back, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gets us to the edge of the bed and 2 gets us down. So when we run it, we can see that Kitten moves that many squares. So that's really, really useful. But please note, when you go full screen, that grid is not permanent. It is just a tool for measuring how far we want our characters to move. There we go. And it can be easily turned off by pressing the grid button again. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that video useful. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the next video will appear somewhere on the screen shortly, and all you need to do is click on that to access the next video. If you want to see all of the videos in one place, please go to mrvullo.com/ScratchJr. I'll add the link in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. All my contact details are on my website. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.